Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough episode 80, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. And it looks like we're in the re-indent okay, so if we have some code, let me grab some code from somewhere. I don't know. How about this? So we grab some code. So if I delete these spaces, then I hit Control-Shift-L, Control-Shift-L, re-indent C++ function. Well, that did not work very well, did it? So I could fix that. Anyway, that's how I guess that's how it should be. It treats assembly. Well, anyway, here's how it works. You have it turns out there are two lexical analyzer nodes. So this is when you get a do while. We skip the do. There's a statement after the do, and then up until we get a while, we lex and do an expression. No, that's, I'm sorry. No. That's not how. If it's a do while on one line, I think that's how this works. Parse the why is this an expression? Oh, this is at the end of a do while. Not the, wait. No. Okay, statement. Okay, I was confused. Okay, so you skip the do, and then there's the statement. Obviously after the do, and then you want the then you want a while. You skip the while keyword. Then there's the expression. Then there's a semicolon. Okay. I don't know why I was... Okay. So, that's just how you parse it. You parse the statement, you parse the expression, and you skip the keywords. Anyway, so the way this works is when you set up remove leading... Okay, so first of all, it removes all the leading spaces, then it puts them back in. I think that's how it works. So it has to identify the beginning and end of the function. Renum ASM. The whole key to the re-indentation is you have two lex structures, lex 1 and lex 2, and the reason for this is when you lex, you go kind of one statement ahead. By the time you figure out where you are, you're already past it. So that's why there's two of them. I keep them out of sync by one token, and that's the whole key to getting this to work, is having two lexes, one of them out of they're out of sync by one token. And as I'm going through, I make a vector with the indentation level. So I make a vector with the indentation level, and then finally, when I'm all done, I put all the spaces back in. So I remove the spaces. So is this where I make? Yeah, here's where I make the first lex. I make the second lex. I make the indentation cue. Then I advance one lex ahead of the other, and then I do a statement. That's for the function. Then I delete them, and I return. This function returns the vector with the indentations. And let's see. So for re-indentation, we go to the beginning of the function. Looks like we re-indent the code. We get the indentation, and then we go through from the beginning of the function to the end of the function, and first we remove the leading spaces, all leading spaces. Then we go from beginning to end, and looks like I actually insert tabs as much as possible. For as long as it's greater than 8, we insert tabs and subtract 8, and then we insert spaces. And that's how that works.